tag other people in Google Sheets is easy. Let me show you. Hey, my name is Gaille. I am Looke Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. So we have a Google Sheets and I want to bring attention of to some person to this document. I have two options how to do it. I can just start to type email and I can select person. Check this. It's fine, but it is not the best option that I like. If you want to collaborate working on some documents, I prefer to add comments. I can do it using two options. I can go to insert menu, comment, and add comment like this. Or I can click my right mouse button and here find insert comment and say okay, check this table. And I can assign this to this person and this person will be notified and I will be notified when it will be resolved. So when I tag, this Gmail account will receive email with this comment and can add something here like comment, some comment here, reply, cancel, reply, and we can see all comments in the same comment in the same branch. And when it will be done, I can click to mark as done. I think it's super comfortable, and if you didn't use it yet, feel free to use. Please subscribe to my channel, give thumb up to this video, and hope to see you soon. Also, if you want to learn more about Google Sheets and Looke Studio, you can find a lot of interesting information on my website. About Looke Studio, I have already nice course for beginner. You can find link below this video. Well, I think that is it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.